Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming your Samsung TV model and Tizen capabilities. This matters because official Google Play is not native on most Samsung TVs. Once done, enable any app source or developer access the TV offers so you can sideload or use casting. You'll also sign into your Google account on a phone or tablet. Make sure you know the credentials, because you'll need them to authorize apps and link services. Prepare a USB drive and ensure your home Wi-Fi is stable and accessible. Now you pick a method. The simplest is using a Chromecast or Android TV box that supports Google Play. Plug it into HDMI and sign into Google. Once active, you'll have Play access. If you must sideload, download the compatible Google Play services and Play Store APKs to a USB, then install through the TV's file installer after enabling unknown sources. Make sure to match APK architecture. You will then sign into the Play Store with your Google account and install apps directly or cast from your phone. Finish by launching installed apps and signing into each one. This confirms Play Store integration and lets you verify any purchase or subscription access. Keep Google Play services updated, either through the Play Store or manual USB updates, because outdated services break app functionality. If something fails, clear the app cache, force stop the Play Store, and reauthorize your Google account on both the TV and your phone. Often that fixes authentication and sync errors. If sideloaded APKs...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.